Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I am riding the TVS Jupiter Grand or Grande, whatever you say. So ये काफ़ी प्रीमियम कलर है इसका और ग्रैंडे में सिर्फ एक ही कलर आता है जो ये वाला जो कलर है वो. तो अभी इसके हम टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशंस के बारे में थोड़ी बात कर लेंगे एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट मोर ओवर जो सिटी में कैसे चलती है उसके बारे में ही बात करने वाला हूँ. तो दिस वुड बी वेरी रॉ वीडियो अबाउट इट एंड लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस वीडियो. It has a 110cc engine. To be precise, it is 109.7cc engine which generates 7.99 PS of power at 7500 rpm. So talking about the digital console, I'll just switch it on. One second. So as you can see, it's a full swing and there are two modes, eco and power mode, and I think it is visible, and the time is currently 5:16 PM. And if this is the logo, I think so, if it's not starting within 5 minutes, it will display that helmet pehen lo aap type thing, and left and right indicators are okay. There is a pass light also, but after starting the scooter, everything gets started and comes to life. And talking about the design is quite premium, and this is a 109cc engine. It has a CVTi gearbox, which all scooters call it different. I mean CVTi, everything is going on. Talking about the fuel lid is given on the back side, whereas Suzuki Axis and Activa 5G gets inside the seat fuel lid. So I'll just open the hood and talk to you in a while, but the meantime I'll just show you that there is a hook over here placed. Okay, you can close it and open it. So it says that it can take up to 3 kgs. This is the choke of the scooter, and there are some important instructions. You can pause the video every time and read it. And talking about the switching and everything, feels quite premium about it. And there is a DRL in the scooter. Okay, I think so, you can see this. So this is a DRL in the scooter. So when the time you just switch on the keys, so the DRLs come to life. And this is a fibery thing. No, this is not steel. This is not. Okay, but anyways, the mirrors look quite premium. There are dual shades on it. One is silver and the black color one. And it gets Nitrox suspension down there. I'll just click a video over there and just show it to you. But the meantime, this is the engine of the scooter, and Jupiter Grand written over here, and here is the switch, I mean key holder to just unlock and lock the seat. Okay, and so I'll just open this. Okay, so the half helmet can accommodate very easily over here, and it is a decent size. I mean, not so big, not so small. Both the tires are 12 inches, so it is good. And TVS generally provides first aid kit, and this I don't know what is this. Okay, this is a charging point. Okay, they have not installed the charger right now, but the charging point is inside this. Okay, this is a 10A fuse box. So if headlight, I think most probably this is for headlight only. And chassis number and everything. Okay, half size helmet is provided from TVS itself. As you can see the logo, it is a decent size cabin down there. Okay, I've locked it. Talking about the lights back here. Okay, so the scooter is just turned on, and you can see the left indicator and right indicators, and decent size light, not much about it. Engine is down, placed there. And talking about the exhaust, okay, there is a steel cladding over here. Okay, so guys, brakes. Okay, so there is a lock over here. Okay, so I mean, if you want to lock this, so there is a switch over here. Placed it down and it will go. And here is normal one. And I just forgot one thing, that this is the disc brake. Okay, here is the disc brake of the vehicle, which says that it is 35 millimeter, and the tires are 12 inches. I just rode it a couple of kilometers, and I saw that the disc brakes were quite amazing. And sync braking system, yeah, combi braking system. Companies are like flooding their names of the sync braking system, combi braking system, and whatnot. So it's time to get going with TVS Jupiter Grand. Okay, so I urge everyone to please wear a helmet before riding. And as you can see this, that the time over here it is written, and it has rode 1291 kilometers. And okay, so there is something good thing over here, eco and power mode. So if I accelerate a quit, so okay, I think so you saw it, the pillion sitting beside me. And moreover, I'll be taking this on the off-road side. And okay, so as you can see, the pass light is working well. Okay, so this is full off-road. I mean, not off-road, but this road is not yet constructed. So I would be showing you that the performance in off-road, I mean, क्या ये सही सही चल भी रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. वैसे तो सब स्कूटर्स अच्छे से चल ही जाते हैं. The horn is decent enough. No, the horn is decent, and it does not for much, do not make much noise. The fuel economy which TVS claims is 62 point something kilometer per liter, but I don't think so that the real mileage would be providing this much, because every company claims like a 60-70 का mileage दे देते हैं, but इतना होता नहीं है कभी इतना. Usually they count on 100 ml of fuel and tell that कि भाई इतना चल जाएगा. That's not the case with any of the companies which claims that the mileage would be so much. And talking about the power, so I just said in the video that it generates 7.99 PS of power, almost 8 PS of power at 7500 RPM. So we don't have the RPM meter to calculate whether the power generation is accurate or not, but we'll just give a thumbs up to TVS that TVS Jupiter is an amazing scooter. I'll just show you one thing over here first, that you can trip in the meter. I mean, there is a trip photo and everything where you can change, as you can see. So we just check the power right now. Okay? So 80 mph. But the seat is comparatively small compared to another scooters like the Axis 125 and the Activa. Let's just see where I'm sitting. I mean, there is a lot of space. Okay, so we'll just check the brakes right now. Quite good stopping. Now we'll check the brakes of the front tire as well. We'll just try both of them. Both brakes are quite good. The front is comparatively more on the good side compared to back, because I don't know कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा घिसा हुआ है या नहीं, because ये बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है. But anyways, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Closer Tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.